Reliance and Bareco bring you the patented Bareco PTO guard.
Since 2004, nearly 200 people have died as a result of farm accidents in Ireland, and hundreds more have been badly injured. One simple mistake, like not keeping a tractor's PTO shaft covered properly, can have deadly consequences.
The patented Bareco lever release PTO guard allows the operator to easily unlock the shaft guard, which can be slid back to provide a safe, visible environment for fitting the tractor and yoke. After fitting, the guard is simply pushed forward and the locking levers are snapped shut. Note the foolproof operation for unskilled operators. Guards can be easily cut to length with 2 additional part numbers available for extra long shafts. Each Bareco guard includes a full range of bearings, allowing 2 guard diameters to fit every brand of PTO shaft on the market. Safely access your wide-angle joint in just 30 seconds without removing the shaft. Reliance and Bareco, because you can't put a price on safety. How would you like to win a €200 voucher for the luxurious Hotel Kilkenny? During the 3-day ploughing championships, the fastest person to assemble and disassemble a Bareco guard from our specially constructed PTO rig will win this fabulous prize. Check out www.hotelkilkenny.ie. Speak to any of the team at our stand to enter.